Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenPad 10 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, and to get access to image stabilization we have to go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner at the bottom, and it opens us the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this settings bar. From here let's pick the video settings here, and as you can see here we have the video stabilization option. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is really easy here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.